In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Chatgpt with Asana to automate tasks 5 minutes. We'll walk through two straightforward ways to connect the two, the built-in Chatgpt connector and a Zapier workflow. By the end, you'll have a clear path to turn routine Asana work into smooth, automated flows. First, open Chatgpt in your browser and head to Settings. In the Settings panel, look for Apps and Connectors. Here, search for Asana and start the connection process. You'll be asked to authorize access to your Asana workspace so ChatGPT can read and write the items you approve. Keep in mind, this native connector is available with a premium ChatGPT plan, so if you don't have that, don't worry. There's a solid alternative with Zapier that works great. Let's set up the Zapier method. Go to Zapier and create a new workflow. Choose Asana as your trigger app and select the event that should kick things off, something like a new task in a specific project, or a task being updated or moved to a section. Connect your Asana account, pick the right workspace and project, and pull in a sample task so you can see real data as you build. Next, add an action and choose ChatGPT. Select an action such as creating a model response. In the prompt field, map in the fields that matter from Asana, task name, description, due date, and any relevant custom fields. This tells ChatGPT exactly what it should respond to, then write a clear instruction describing the output you want, like summarizing the task, drafting a checklist of next steps, or generating a brief update for the assignee. The more specific and structured your instruction, the more reliable your results will be. Often you'll want to send ChatGPT's response back into Asana. Add another step in Zapier, choose Asana again, and pick an action such as create comment, update task, or create task. Map the ChatGPT output to the comment or task fields so your team can see the generated content right inside Asana without switching tools. Now test the workflow end to end. Use Zapier's test feature to trigger the flow, review the ChatGPT output, and confirm it lands in Asana as expected. Adjust your prompt for tone and length if needed, then publish or turn on your automation. Give it a clear name and keep an eye on task history for any errors so you can refine over time. That's it. Two reliable ways to connect ChatGPT and Asana to cut busy work and keep your projects moving.